I got this front wheel out so I could do some cleanup on it, and took the rotors off, and I've never seen such a buildup of something on these rotor bolts that came out. It's very, very hard, plasticky stuff. I don't think it's Loctite, but it could be some form of Loctite. If you look real close, you can see blue on here, which I would assume is blue Loctite. I don't know what that red plasticky stuff is. Do you think that hard plasticky stuff they put on these bolts is to take up the slack on the rotor so it won't move like this? I don't know. Filler material? Ooh. Doesn't want to go in because of the plastic stuff. I think I'm going to have to scrape all that stuff off because these things don't want to seat. They just get jammed up. Yeah. A new fun little project. This stuff is really, really hard and very difficult to get off. I think I'm going to try using a heat gun. See if I can melt it. Yeah, alright, that helps. It's going to take a while. A mini project. That was turning into a career, so let's try another method. There's plastic debris all over the place. There's a little bit more, but they're all cleaned off now. That was quite strange. I've never seen that before, but then I've never taken a TZR250 apart. These things still don't want to hit home. I have a feeling some of that plastic stuff is down in the threads. Alright, next I'm putting a little bit of oil on these so they don't bind up. This is all going to come apart again, so I'll have to do a first assembly of this bike and then take it all apart to get everything final finished, powder coated and painted and whatnot. Much better. Yes. There's a couple of really good chunks of that hard plastic stuff.